21 Starcraft 221 Starstep deck boat, single axle trailer, swing tongue, guides, big swim platform on the back, cup holders if you're in the water, 4-blade prop, underwater lighting, nice steep swim ladder, speakers off the back. There is a sun lounging pad on the back. You can also flip that down and just lay across. Built-in cooler, pop-up cleats, transom shower, bimini full cover, marine mat snap-in flooring, lots of seating, bolster driver's seat, JL audio stereo with kicker speakers, rated for 12 people. There's your RGB lighting control down there. Armrest. That center cushion does come out if you want to walk up to the front where there is a second ladder, and also anchor storage. Seating all the way around. Light up cup holders, a sink, cooler down there. What's really nice is the cooler snaps to the cushion, so when you pull up the cushion, the cooler opens. In-floor storage, storage under all the seats. Really nice boat. Come into our Antioch SkipperBud's and check this one out.